Okay, let's start. Um, Today we'll do the new topic.
Okay, sure.
I'm sharing my screen.
hmm
What happened in the last Sunday? I was ready that time.
I was waiting on your message, so I didn't have internet. I wanted to join from my phone.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I was not home actually, so that's why I didn't have internet.
okay,
So yeah, even though like I was like normally I'm sleeping at that time, but I was not sleeping. I just like wait, I didn't receive anything. So then I say, so maybe it's cancelled.
oh, okay. Actually, I was waiting a message from your side. So,
Oh my God. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I should have messaged you. Yeah, sorry about that.
okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so I think we have done this one, right? List slicing.
Yeah, correct. We
We
did.
have done list slicing. You can watch the videos on the YouTube. And
Okay.
today we have to do the next topic,
Mhm.
which is this one. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So today we have to do Python tuples and sets. Okay, it's also same like a list. Okay, it's same like a list.
Okay.
So today agenda is we will learn what is tuples, how to create tuples, indexing in tuple and slicing, tuple method. Then we will understand what is set, how to create set, set operations, set method, practice questions, all we will do. Okay, so let's start with the tuples first. So what is tuple? So basically a tuple is a collection that store multiple values. So you remember that we were doing the list, and
Yeah, correct.
yeah, so we were doing the list. List was like this with a square bracket, right? Like this.
hmm
But tuple is little bit different. Here we use different kind of bracket. Tuple is ordered, unchangeable. Okay, let me show you. See, tuple is like this, like this. We use rounded bracket. Okay,
hmm
yeah. So this is a tuple. So we use a rounded bracket over there. This one. So that is tuple. So the main thing which we have to understand about a tuple is that it is ordered. Ordered means it is having index like 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay.
Okay. In that case, in Java, it's set.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know about Java, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, in that Python, it is a kind of a data set which is unchangeable. You cannot change it.
Correct. Yeah, since it's organized, it's
Yeah,
ordered.
yeah, it's ordered and it is not changeable. But the only difference between list and tuple is that list is changeable.
Correct.
Okay, so you
So
can see
it's
the fruits.
mhm.
You're seeing anything?
Yeah, both are coming in shape of list, not drop down.
Drop down. No, no, not drop down. Say
So both are
they
in a
look
shape of.
almost same. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Let me run this. If you print my data, you'll see it is tuple, right? If you will check the type of this, then it says tuple. Okay.
Okay,
That
how
is
did you check the type?
with the help
Oh,
of
type.
type function.
Okay, got it.
So this is how we make it. Okay, so how to create tuple I showed you. You can numbers 10, 20, 30, names Ali, Sarah, John, mixed, and you can add any kind of data types in it, like string, integer, float, anything in it.
Okay.
Next is accessing tuple elements. So how to access? Index start from 0, same like a list. So apple, banana, mango. So fruit 0 is apple, fruit 1 is banana, and fruit 2 is mango. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, same like the you can say it's same like the list in terms of indexing. See this. Can you see that?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then we have negative indexing. Negative indexing. What is negative indexing? So negative indexing is like if you give -1, then it will pick up the last element. Okay. So that
Okay.
is the, you can try this. See mango. Negative indexing means -1 last element.
So it's only for last one, correct?
Yeah, you can do -2 also, like for second last.
Yeah, starting from the last one. Okay.
Yeah, like this. Okay. So then we have how to find out the tuple length. So you can just simply do the print length of fruit. With the help of len function, you can do it. So if you do fruit length of fruits, it says 3. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can find a number of element inside it with the help of len.
Okay.
So important. So what is important? Tuples cannot be changed. This is we have to know, and this is very important. So tuples we cannot change at any cost. So if you try to replace like at the index 1, if you want to put orange, you cannot do it. We can try this. Fruits at first place I can do orange. See, it will throw error. What is error? Can you read it?
Tuple object does not support item assignment.
Yeah. So tuple does not support the item assignment. Means you cannot assign the item in it. So it means you cannot change the this one. because tuples are immutable. Fine. So you cannot change the item. Now next is we can say tuple method. Like how many functions we are having. Okay, but do you remember how many functions we had in the list?
In the list, yeah.
Tell me if you remember.
Now I'm thinking. So in list we were doing.
You do not watch the video.
Not yet. Sorry
Okay,
about that.
you
Yeah.
you didn't got the time.
Yeah, I was busy. I mean, it was like weekends. I was not home.
Okay, so yeah, that's why I recorded that playlist. You can see that, right? Because
Yeah.
you
So
know what,
we
if we do not see it again, it is high. There are high chances that we'll forget it.
correct. Yeah. So yeah, in list. So one was we were appending
Yeah,
something
appending,
new to the
pop,
list,
remove,
sorting,
insert,
uh,
sort. Lot of functions we were
removing,
having. Yes,
sorting. Yeah, yeah.
yes. Lot of functions we had. Okay, let's go again. So see, but tuple is having only few functions, not too much. Okay, we have
Mhm.
count, index, and that's it. Only two functions. If you check, let me show you. If you write fruits dot, you can just see the two functions, right?
Correct. Yeah.
In tuples we are only having count and index. That's it. But in list we have many. So what's the working of count? Count basically check the occurrences, counts the occurrences. If your tuple is like this 1 2 2 3 2, and you want to count, this the 2, and you will print it. Print 3. How many times we have the number 2?
Okay, it's 3. Okay.
Yes. Now it is 8, right? So
Mhm.
this is how you can count the frequency of a number or any data in a tuple. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now why we use the index? Find first index. So if you write, okay, suppose if I let's use it here. If I find the index of 3, the item 3. So what is the index of 3? It's 3
0, 1, 3. Yeah.
because it's 0 1 2 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, so suppose if I'm having a number 10 and I want to check for number 10, it is 10.
Oh, it's back again 10.
Yeah, it was 3 here and 10 again. I don't know what's happening. Let's put it 100. Now we'll check 100. See 11, right? So this is the index of 100. Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Tuple slicing. So what is slicing? Same like the list. In list also we slice the list, like pulling out a part of elements, a group of elements throughout the list. That is slicing. You know what is slicing? I forgot.
Yes, we did. Yeah, did slicing in list.
Yeah. So that is so let's suppose you are having this tuple, and we can, and you suppose you want to only print 20, 30, 40. So what do you have to do? So you write numbers, square bracket. So you'll start from 1, 1, 2, 3. So you have to add the 4. You will not write 3 for this. You will write 4 because you have to increase one number to include this. Just one. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Your voice is breaking, but it's okay.
Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah. 20, 30, and 40. Can you see this?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so that is possible because we have chosen this one. Okay, now I will do 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now you tell me how we can print 50, 60, 70.
Okay, so we've done 0, 1, 2, 3. Starting from 5.
Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
But it's 4. Okay, starting 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, starting 4.
10.
4, 5, 6. Up to what we are going to print?
70.
Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 7.
Okay, let's try. Yeah, can you see this? 50, 60,
Yes.
70. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So, yeah, we have done this. So that is slicing. Okay. So this is
Okay.
how we do the slicing. Okay, now let's do the sets. Sets is not too much difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's okay, so we have done we have done the tuples, okay, because
Mhm.
we can just access the numbers, we cannot add or delete the numbers in the tuples, okay, so that's why there is very few functions over the tuple, okay.
Mhm.
But I want to tell you one more thing, that see this one. Suppose you want to add an element to here, okay, maybe in the middle. So we
Mhm.
have an option to do it, but not directly, but indirectly.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is by converting into list. Okay, so that is the option. So how to do it? Let me tell you. So you'll write number will be list of number. So you know what we have done here. So basically, this tuple I have converted to the list,
List.
and you know, in the list we can do any kind of changes, right?
Yes.
So that way I have saved into the numbers again, or you can take a different uh, list. You can name it differently. Yeah, list number. Now in list number you can insert any element. Suppose instead of 50, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 4 you want to add your name, and then we can print. Let me print it first. Can you see this? It is added in the list,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, correct.
So let's convert back to tuple. Convert back list to tuple. So you will do, your numbers will be now the tuple conversion of list number. Then you can print the number. So basically what we have done here, we have converted our list back to the tuple.
But correct. But
First we converted the tuple into list, make changes, and then back to the tuple. Okay,
yes.
see this last one. It is tuple but with your name, with changes, I mean.
So sometimes maybe it's need like to add something, then we change it to list, and then since we already did our function, then we are going to change it back to list.
Yeah, this is indirect way, but directly in Python we cannot change it. But if you really have to change it, then you can use this pattern.
Correct. Yeah.
First convert to list, make changes, then put it back to the tuple, right?
Yes.
This is the way. Okay, now we have Yeah. So let's start the Python set. So what is set? So a set is a collection of unique value. What is unique? Do you know?
Yeah, which is not duplicate.
Yes, correct. So if you are having a data multiple times, that will be only visible single once. Okay, not multiple times. So sets are unordered and do not allow duplicates. Unordered means you cannot use the index, right, to access the element. So for example, this is the set. We use the curly bracket. See, if you print the type, can you see the set? It is a set with the curly bracket. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, suppose you are adding multiple 4. If I try to print it, how many 4s do you see here?
Only one.
So this is a set. So it will not show up multiple items. Fine?
Yes. So is there a way like to check how many are duplicate?
How many duplicate we are having? I think there is no way. It just do the unique. It will not
For
tell you
example,
how
there,
many we are having.
like for example, here we have many fours. I just like check uh, how many fours do I have?
There is no way to find it.
No way.
No.
Mm.
Okay, let's understand now how to create, how to add item in it. Let's do that. So basically creating the, how to create the set. So you can create with the this curly bracket. You can add numbers, integer, string, multiple items, anything. So duplicates are removed automatically. So this is how we create the set, and duplicated will be automatically deleted.
Mhm.
Okay, so how to add the item in the set? Fruit, banana, apple, banana we are having. So fruit dot add mango. Let's do it. Fruits dot add mango, and if you print it, see, mango, banana, and apple. apple, banana, and mango. Mango, apple, banana. Can you see a pattern here that every time it changes the position of the element? Can you see that?
Yes,
That's why it is unordered. It is not having order.
correct.
Mango is added in the set but not at any particular position. See it. Sometimes it's the beginning, in the last, sometime in middle, right?
Yes, correct.
So that is a set. Okay, what if you want to try at particular index like 0, fruit 0. Now see, set object is not subscriptable. It
So
does
what does it
not
mean?
subscriptable means it does not because it's not ordered, so it does not have indexing.
Oh, okay, good.
It's index will not work here. Removing removing item. Removing items, remove. So how to remove? Removing the items, we will use remove function. Fruits dot remove any fruit. See this. Okay, you can just directly use the remove. Keyword
Mango.
error.
Mango doesn't exist.
Oh yes,
Mango doesn't
mango
exist in the
is
list.
not
Mhm.
here. Mango, let me add it. Apple and banana. Mango is not there, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, okay. Tell me one thing. In USA, is it the AI is impacting the jobs or not? Like, does the number of jobs decreased due to AI?
Uh, they very much talk about, but practically, in general, the jobs are like jobs are less nowadays.
Really?
But they, yeah, like they keep saying like it's because of AI, but that's not AI.
Then what's the reason of less jobs?
Well, it's because so many companies close. So many company they keep saying AI, but to my experience, practically it's not AI.
But they
I
are
like
laying
we
off people.
correct, yeah, because last year my company did so many layoff, but it was
Okay,
not AI. It was like the government change.
okay. Uh,
But they
so
keep saying AI, but that's not. Maybe in future, but if you know AI, that's a plus, but that's not something that you will not get the job.
okay, okay, fine. All right. But maybe. Maybe indirectly it is AI because maybe a lot of coding or testing might be done by the AI. So might the employees may not be able to know it, but maybe it could be.
Um, so if a person is successful without AI, it doesn't mean he will be removed.
Okay.
Yeah, if someone is using AI, he is using or she is using for her or his own comfort.
Okay, that's correct. That's yeah, that is correct. But in future, people will have to learn the tools of AI, to make their jobs easy.
Yeah, like you will hear people like saying, "Oh, I learned this AI." That's like, wow, 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 that's good, cool. But like it's that won't. It will be just a conversation, you know.
Okay. So it's just in conversation. No, no, not people are not relying on it. Like nobody trusts the AI, right? These days, they are
Uh,
just
well, every. So it's like more companies are having their own AI,
okay.
so they are not allowed to use something outside.
Okay.
But some companies don't have it yet, but they say we will have our own AI, but they keep like saying, okay, it's good to learn AI, it's good to be use practical AI, but they don't have their own AI. But some companies have already creating their own AI within the company because they don't want to have their information outside. They like it's very strictly like saying don't use outside AI.
Uh-huh. Because you know what, Chat GPT is now creating a very good posters, graphic, the pictures. So I think a lot of graphic designer job is almost gone.
Yeah, but on that level, I don't know, but it still should be within the company AI, like
Hmm.
not outsider.
Okay, okay, fine. I think it will take time, like the 1 year
Correct,
or 1.5, 2 year to completely affect.
correct. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
even more than that.
yeah. And US is not even letting Indians to come over there in the
I
US.
think yeah, I know lots of like my colleagues like they lost their visa. They return back to their country.
Oh my God. Is it same happens like with your country, or is it like with only India?
It happens with those they are coming here with work visa.
Okay, okay. No, I think Trump has increased the tariff, I guess. It's only for India, I guess. Tariff means like it's applying a lot of taxes on the people who are not like people who are from India or working there. A lot of taxes they have to pay or something like that. So is it only for the
Oh,
India or Afghanistan also?
is this session recorded still?
Yeah, yeah, it's recording, but it's okay because it's public. Uh, okay, if you want me to, I can pause it. Just 1 minute. Okay, so let's do this. Remove we have done. Okay, then we have discard. Fruits dot discard. So no error if item is missing. Okay, so we can use the discard. Suppose I am discarding any item which is not here. Discard pineapple. mango, apple, banana. See this. There is no error now, right? Because a pineapple is not there, but there is no error. So discard is useful in that kind of area. So whenever your item is not there, it will not tell you that that item is missing. It will just show up the normal set
Okay, yes.
that it discard. Pop, fruits dot pop removes a random item. So if you do pop, it will remove any random one. See, banana.
Oh, okay. Print it again.
Then it is now again if I do it is remove the mango. Mango, yeah. If I print again, it removed the apple now, right? Okay, so let me store deleted item. Let me store it. If I let me see if I can get this deleted item.
Mhm.
Yeah, see this. Banana is deleted. Because if you do fruit.pop, it will return you the deleted item. You can store it in a variable and then you can print. See, if you run this again, apple, banana is there, mango is deleted. So you can write like this. Is deleted. Apple is deleted. Apple is deleted. Apple is deleted. Banana is deleted. Banana. Apple. Yeah. This is how you can come to know how much which item is getting deleted. You can store it. Okay, then we have next is set operation. Set operation. So you are having one set, you have having another set, union all values, A union B. Have you done the maths class in your school? So there is union, intersection and all that. Do you remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Union means both, showing up the union of both.
Correct. Yeah, both set. Okay.
Yeah, so if you do this and if you do print A B, see this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it did the union in such a way that 3 and 4 are in the both one, but still they are just
Mm.
displayed as unique value, right? That is a union.
Correct. Hmm.
So now what is intersection? Intersection. Only the common values will be printed in both. You have to do A and B. It will show you the intersection. 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4 was common in both. That's why it's 3, 4.
So can you explain once again? I couldn't get this part.
This is intersection. Intersection means which is common in both the set. So 3 and 4
Correct.
was common in both the set. That's why it only showed the 3 and 4.
Okay, so this one can be used for duplicates.
Duplicates is a different, yeah, but a duplicate means in both the set it is duplicate. Duplicate means these terms are in both the set A
Correct.
and B.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
That's similar.
union,
Okay, so it's
yeah,
on the same.
union you all know that it is sum of all, but
Mm-hmm.
intersection is only the common one in both the set.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Difference 1 minus B, A minus B, so it is 1, 2. So let me try. 1, 2. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, 2. Difference 1 and 2. A minus B, which is 1 and
Mm-hmm.
2.
But 5, 6 is also different.
No, it is doing minus difference. It is finding up the difference between both of them.
Yeah, but 5, 6 is also difference between both of them. 1 and 2, 5 and 6.
1, 2, 1, 2, 5, and 6. Okay, yeah, that let me check it. Set difference. Returns a new set containing element that exist in the first set but not in the specified target set.
Okay, now got it. Yeah. So only in the first set.
In the first set only. So if you put B over here like B and then A, then it will show 5, 6, right?
Correct. Okay. Now got it. Yeah.
See 5, 6. So next we are having
Can you
the
go a little like scroll up? I just saw something I needed to know. A little more.
which one?
A little more, please. Go up.
Okay, here.
A little more, please. Set operation. Just 1 second, dear. I saw something new. A little down, please. Yeah, just in here. Yeah, it was the, can you go up? Yeah, it was the different A, then what intersection? Oh, okay, intersection. A little up. Yeah, this one.
Yes, we have done this one, intersection, which it means which is common in both the A and B.
Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
3, 4. Okay, and then we have the membership test. If apple in fruits is there, then print the found. So membership test, a membership operator in is a membership operator, right? So if you do like this, one in A. Let's see what it print. True. Can you see that?
Yeah,
one is
it,
there in the A set. If I
yes.
do 6 in A, what do you think?
Should say false.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct. False. So that is the membership operator, or you can simply try it if 2 in A, it will check true or false, and if it is there, then it will say item found. If 2 is there in the A, then this whole condition will be true. So if it is true, then it will print the item found. Item found, right? Can you see that? Because
Okay,
2,
instead of true, it's going to return as our sentence.
yes, yes, because this condition is true. This is how the if else work, right? If here this particular equation is true, then it will do the statement. But if it is false, then it will not do the print. Okay. Okay. Then we have converting list to set. We have already done that. Suppose you are having a list. No, we have not done this one. This is a list to set, not tuple. So
Yeah, it was tuple.
yeah, so now we are having a list, and then you use a function set to convert your list set of number, then it will be converted into the item. That's amazing. See this one. If you are having multiple items in your list, see this, two times, three two times, then you can do the set of that particular list, you know, store it in a variable and then print it. See, your output will be the unique value. See, if you are having 3 too many times, this is a very amazing way to unique the values, you know. So if
Okay,
you
even though it's a list, but it's returning as a set as a unique value.
yeah, because we converted our list to set here with the set function.
Do we need like to mention list somewhere to like, or
No,
it's
this
the same?
this is already a list.
Okay, correct.
You don't need to mention it because it is already a list, but you need to mention set because you are converting it to set.
Correct, yeah.
And then you can store it in a variable and then you can print it. converting list to set. Okay, so we have done this, and quick comparison features of tuple and set. So ordered. So tuple is ordered, but set is not ordered, right? If we talk about changeability, means mutability, tuple cannot be changed, set can be changed. Duplicates allowed. In the tuples you can add duplicate, but in set there is no duplicates item. Tuple is having indexing, but set do not have indexing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these questions I will send it to you on your WhatsApp. Okay, so please
Mm-hmm.
try to solve these questions,
Yeah, sure.
right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so in the next class, let me show you. In the next class, we have to do the dictionaries. Okay, then we will do a little bit of mini project, and then we'll do the functions, lambda functions, module, pip,
Mm-hmm.
file handling, exception handling, OOP classes, OOPS concept,
Mm-hmm.
inheritance, key libraries like OS and JSON request, and then the major project, and then the second project. Okay.
That's nice. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
so
good.
we will do all of this. Okay, so yeah, now I'll send you the
Yeah,
questions, and please try to do this, right?
yeah, sure. Yeah.
All right, have a good day. See you soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you so.
Yeah, have a good day.
See you tomorrow, I believe.
Yeah, tomorrow, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Good day.